what animal do you have in your teeth today? You know, I got a new animal in your teeth. Oh my god. I think today I will get a porcupine in your teeth. I saw it yesterday night when you were sleeping. Do you want to see the porcupine in your teeth? It might hurt mommy when mommy will try to pull it out from your teeth. Let's go and try to pull out the porcupine, okay? How about that? What do you think? Are you thinking something like this? Spider?
Yeah.
You saw the spider in your teeth yesterday night?
Yeah.
Oh my god, but I'm scared of a spider.
You see ants.
Ants also?
Yeah, and a small elephant.
And a small elephant also?
Yeah.
Let's go and pull all of these out, okay? Let's get up.
You scold the teeth.
I will scold them in your teeth and then I'll pull them out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Do ah. I can see. Oh my god. I think this will bite me. The spider will bite me, you know. You will spit it out there. See, all are going away. Yeah, we did it, right? Snake, yeah. Wow. You're all done with brushing our teeth. Show your teeth. And say good morning.